Hello and a warm welcome to Mega Technology, where we explore the fascinating realm of heavy machinery, modern innovations, and the latest technologies. The TigerCat Clambunk Skidder reigns supreme over challenging landscapes. Equipped with a powerful grapple, all-wheel drive transmission, and high-pressure tires, it handles massive log loads with ease. Whether navigating swamps or ravines, this skidder thrives where others falter. K-Tech scraper trains are giants in the world of earth moving. With the Oxblock system designed to push massive loads, they can shift up to 33 cubic yards in a single pass. Featuring hydraulic cylinders and robust construction, these scrapers excel in large-scale excavation projects, making the job faster and more efficient. Massive stump with roots? For this mechanical titan, it's no challenge. This tracked beast, equipped with a hydraulically powered bucket, removes obstacles effortlessly, almost like harvesting carrots from the soil. The Caterpillar D6C bulldozer is built for the impossible. Its formidable blade levels the terrain, while its tooth ripper breaks through the toughest rock. Its spear and rake handle debris and roots like garden tools in the hands of a titan. A must-have for both construction and forestry. When a huge Bell AZ truck